What's going on, guys? I just said I'd give you a little backstory to this episode because I noticed when I was making it, I wasn't really explaining what was going on. In this episode, we go to the west of Ireland and we head to a place called Flos. Flo is a young lad that's managed to make a living for himself out of AE86s. It's pretty much like walking into a Toyota parts room for AE86 and rear-wheel drive KP STARLET specific stuff. He's got a lot of his own custom stuff that he makes too. We were going up specifically for a 20 valve water relocation kit which mounts the hoses to go to the radiator. Instead of him running over the manifold, which happens with a lot of 20 valve conversion, his kit mounts it like the 16 valve up the front. Pretty awesome kit. Since making this video, I've ordered a heap of other parts off him that I've needed for the car. He's got an online store for anyone that needs bits for their A86. I'm pretty sure he's going to have it. It's flos.ie. He does worldwide shipping. Check it out. There's a heap of cool stuff on there. We would be lost without Flos on this build, and I can't thank him enough for sorting me out, so I really recommend you check it out if you're restoring an A86. I don't know if there's any other A86 specific shops outside of Japan like this. It's just goes to show how much of a following the Corolla has in Ireland for someone to be able to make a living out of it. Yeah, we enjoy going to Flos, and again, can't thank him enough for hooking us up on this build. If you need any parts for your A86, I must have said A86 a million times in this, but yeah, check out flos.ie. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello! Hi!
For breakfast.
Oh. So the magic of the jam bun is every pastry in Ireland that you get like this jam bun will just go everywhere, watch.
Well, you're trying to eat it, especially if you're in somebody else's car and you're trying to be clean, it doesn't work. Better you can see here.
Better track it.
Look at the fucking balls of it.
Oh, what? What?
That was like 6,500 RPM right there. Bring an engine.
What year is this one? Yeah, very minimal, straight to the point. Corollas everywhere. Up to the...
Yeah, you can put shit music over it.
Put shit music over it. So here's some of the shite then that I'm getting for the car. Shite? Yeah, it's not really shite because I'm paying for it. It's stuff I need. But yeah, we're in Flos. Hello. There you go. And unfortunately, he has another shed full of stuff. Full of Toyota stuff. This looks very similar colour to my one.
There's panels there.
Panels here.
Like there's pumps, alternators, and nuts, bolts.
TRD stuff. Fuck.
Massive JDM. It's intriguing Ruben now. No, you don't have to open it.
Check this out. Here's every single nut and bolt, replacement parts, everything for an AE86. Front hub, grease caps. So basically it's a shed full of every single part you would ever need to build a Corolla. If you're looking for a shell,
Alloy hubs.
half a shell, alloy hubs, CNC'd hub, genuine crankshafts,
Stock replacement.
stock replacement.
Means that this one's a business, that's all.
Alright,
Nice. For running bigger trumpets. That is very handy. Deadly. They're really nice. So yeah, these are for reinforcement. Watch. I mean there. Reinforcement kit, look at this. You love Corollas, room.
yeah.
So the reason why I'm here is to buy this stuff. I'm actually buying, is it a water relocation kit? Yes.
Takes time.
Yeah.
Doesn't pay off like that.
Yeah, shiny new parts. So we are putting new stuff back into the car. It's a full tail light gasket set there as well. There's not many places you can do this where you can just go to somewhere and actually walk in and get this stuff for a Corolla. There's a lot of stuff. Started shell, right? It's now a fucking brake.
I have one, I haven't opened.
Yeah, you haven't even opened it because you didn't want to open it. Look at that. Brand new. Probably won't see this again. But there's a lovely new crank. Look at that. Oh, look at this thing.
So we
So-
came here with intention of buying a few Corolla parts. But we're going home with a STARLET estate.
estate.
It's fucking mint.
So we're here today in Galway and we drove up to get parts for my car. And now we're driving around the business park in a 1982 STARLET estate.
Yep. Left-hand drive.
Left-hand drive, which we are not left-hand drive.
No, not in Ireland. We drive on the wrong side.
This thing is from Austria, I think so?
Yeah, I think he said
Austria.
20 valve!
20-0 valve! So we drove up west to get some parts and hang out with Flo. He's got an interesting little setup. He works on Corollas, sells Corolla parts, does all sorts of stuff with AE86s, STARLETs, classic Toyotas. It's cool. His shop is pretty interesting because there's probably not a shop like that anywhere else except for in Japan, where you could actually just make a living selling little bits and bobs for Corollas and working on them and restoring them and stuff. And he's definitely a very, very useful person. Oh yeah! Oh hi! Yeah, so Galway, far away from where we're from.
In the tiny country.
In the tiny country, which things aren't really that far away.
We're way out west now.
Look at this thing. This colour,
Yeah.
it really suits it. It brings
Yeah,
out
it's
the
actually like
orange in the beard.
I feel at home.
Yeah, you just feel at home. Toyotas everywhere. There's only 2 of these in Ireland. And this one's left-hand drive, and you've seen Cloco's one in one of the videos. Look,
So happy.
absolutely delighted. Big box of stuff.
Great day shopping.
Great day shopping.
Turn it that way now. Not in it.
This is how we inspect the burgers.
Get him on, mate. Put him burn it all,
Here, Josh.
Here, why?
Go for a dash off him, yeah?
Whoa. great that you were born with a head as a light. So I have the paint suit back on. Talking to myself, and yeah, I'm grinding off all the etch primer that I lacquered like a couple of weeks ago, and I'm gonna put back on epoxy. I'm going insane because I just keep finding like new areas that look a bit funky. Like all that. Barry's probably going to clean all this shit again, but I just want to paint it with something that's going to stop from rusting because we live by the salty ocean.
There, yeah.
Happy birthday. Yeah, happy birthday. Whoa!
You fell into the fireplace first.
Yes, boy.
Woo!
That's fucking weird. They've been in jail.
It's like prison.
Super little kid, actually. Little kid. Oh my god, what the fuck? It's crazy. Oh yeah, so you can go from Ireland.
Stop recording this.
Like, away with the camera.
Nah.
Go away with the camera. We're dedicated to this one.
This little thing.
Yeah, that.
Why is this even happening?
Before was you were trying to wheelie and it was all up here on your head. Now the problem is when you try to wheelie, it's all behind it. It's going to actually pull you back. It's so much strain.
No, not relaxed. I thought he was getting sore.
Right.
Sorry. I didn't mean.
Right, so the mission here is to do a wheelie with a chair on your back.
What kind of fucking fitment is this?
Bike change. It's all about changing that bike. Yeah! A fucking chair on your back! What a pointlessly good achievement! Yeah!